Hello friends, welcome to KSP Academy. Last class we already discussed the types of transmission and distribution systems. Now we need to go for a discussion the types of transmission, the transmission systems and distribution systems we already discussed. In the transmissions, how you are going to transmit the power, and what are the modes of transmissions will take place in our transmission systems. Today we have to discuss types of transmission. So generally the types of transmissions which are classified into different parts depends upon the medium in which you are transmitting your power. The medium in which you are transmitting power, the transmission lines are classified. Here the medium in which transmit the power, transmit the power. The medium in which to transmit the power, the transmissions are basically classified into two categories. Number one is overhead transmission line, overhead transmission system. Number one is overhead transmission system. Second one is underground transmission systems. Underground transmission system. First one is overhead. Second one is underground. Overhead transmission line, underground transmission line. In the case of overhead transmission line means the transmission lines are over the earth. Overhead, everything we can see, we can easily understand it is the transmission. Underground system means the transmission system which we can keep through under earth. By digging of earth, keep the lines and buried into that, then you can closing it out. Underground systems is keep inside of earth. This comes under underground system. Overhead system means you need to make a transmission line on the earth. We can see what we are having right now in that open spaces comes under transmission overhead systems. Now our city, basically we are converting the transmission overhead system into the bypassing into the underground cables. We are always in the underground systems. So in these overhead systems, underground systems, is subclassified into two types. Depends upon the type of power supply we are using. The type of power supply we are using. Overhead systems, underground systems, again the subclassified into AC OH lines. AC OH lines. We use AC power supply, AC overhead lines. B. DC OH lines. AC OH lines, DC OH lines. Here also underground. AC underground lines, DC underground lines. If you use AC, AC underground. If you use DC, DC underground transfer systems. I hope you understand. Overhead AC overhead lines, DC overhead lines. AC underground lines, DC underground lines. I hope you are understanding this. So one more note important point I forgot to say. In our India, highest transmitting voltage. India highest transmission voltage is 765 kV AC. 765 kV AC voltage are transmitting highest. So in this present is 800 kV transmission which is under progress. 800 kV transmission we are trying to progress by using a power grid which are working. It is how you transmit 800 kV transmission lines. Next, India. This is what I am telling you, the data is India, not abroad, India. Next, if you go for DC, we are having 500 kV DC. The highest DC transmission is 500 kV DC transmission. Right now, what we are having transmission, not generation, transmission voltage 500 kV DC. This is 765 kV highest. 800 kV we are transmitting under power grid. India I am telling. So next, we are go for next concept here, OS and underground lines. So in this, we are having AC and DC overhead lines. So something I should write here, I should make one chart for you. So what we are having AC and DC. What are having AC and DC. AC overhead lines and the DC what type of lines are having right now. That is how to see one sub-classifications in this. AC overhead lines, we have single phase supply, two phase supply, three phase supply. What type of supplies are having? Single phase AC are having. I hope you are understanding. Two phase AC also available right now. Three phase AC also are available. Single phase AC are having, two phase AC are having, three phase AC are having. We are having in the single phase, we are having sub-classification. We have single phase two-wire system. We have single phase two-wire system. One more thing, second case, single phase two-wire midpoint is earthed. Midpoint is earthed. That also we are having single phase two-wire. Now third classification here, single phase three wire we are having. Single phase you are having single phase two wire or single phase two wire midpoint is earthed, that you already knows. Single phase three wire we are having. Next move for two phase AC transmission line in these sub classifications. Two phase three wire. Next two phase four wire system. Two phase system says you are having these two types of overhead transmission lines. Second case, three phase three wire for what is a pump sets for farmers. Three phase four wire system for your residential you can use three phase four wire. From that you can make it out earth connection, neutral connection, and you can do it. These two are. It's called AC overhead. This is major classification they are having. Come to the DC, what type of things you are having in the DC? In the DC you are having three things. DC two wire system, first one. Second one, DC two wire midpoint is earthed. Midpoint is earthed. Third case you are having DC three wire system. DC three wire system. This is a basic the overhead lines classifications. DC overhead transmission lines we are having. These are basic types we are using. I hope you are understanding. You come to that this underground cable AC, underground DC underground. We are having single phase in these underground cables. Single phase single wire we are having. Basically single phase single having only we are having. Plus three phase three wire we are having. Basically, then after transformer about to create this. So underground DC we are having directly single phase cables, so three phase cables are having. These I discuss clearly in the distribution systems. You can easily understand. I hope you are understanding. Thanks for watching and keep continue. If you are interested, you can make subscribes. Links will come to your mail IDs. You can enjoy the things. Okay, keep continuing.